Ever wondered why your money seems to grow faster over time? It's not magic, it's compound interest. Today, let's see how it works and why it matters for your future. Welcome to InvestSmart Basics, the channel that helps beginners learn investing step by step. If you want to build wealth over time, you need to understand compound interest. Let's break it down in a simple way. What is compound interest? Compound interest is earning interest on the interest you've already earned. Each year, you earn interest on your original amount, plus the interest you earned before. This interest on interest makes your money grow faster over time. Example of compound growth. Let's say you invest $100 at 5% interest. After 1 year, you will have $105. After 2 years, you will have $110.25. After 10 years, your $100 becomes more than $162. After 25 years, it becomes almost $340. You didn't add more money, but it keeps growing. Time is your best friend. The earlier you start investing, the more time compound interest has to work. Remember the rule of 72. Divide 70 to buy your interest rate to see how many years it takes to double your money. For example, at 9% interest, your money doubles in 8 years. Start early to see bigger results. Start early and stay consistent. Even small amounts invested regularly will grow over time. Many ETFs and investment apps reinvest your earnings automatically. Be patient and let compound interest do its work. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. Small gains become bigger gains over time. Start early, stay consistent, and let your money grow. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to InvestSmart Basics. We share daily tips on investing and personal finance for beginners. Have questions about compound interest? Drop them in the comments below, and we will help you. See you in the next video.